Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government and the private sector job notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the PhD admission notification from one of the university. Here, eligibility is the only post-graduation, no need of the UGC NET or the GATE qualifications. And this university is providing the Earn While Learn scheme. That means for all the full-time PhD scholars, okay, you are going to get some fellowship while doing some work. Okay, either it might be the academic or the non-academic works. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions with fellowship with only post-graduation without having any type of national level eligibility test or the JRFs. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this PhD admission notification from the university. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is the paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a BS Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, deemed to be university from Chennai. So in this one here we got the PhD admission notification, guys. So I think really it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admission in this time with only post graduation and looking for the fellowship without having any type of NET qualifications. So I may check down PhD admission program open right now. So January 2022, and the NBA accreditation is also there, fine, and the World University ranking is also there. So admissions open. So and the key aspects you may check down. The BSc research fellowships will be available. Okay, JRF or the SRF fellowship for the meritorious candidates, fine. And Earn While You Learn scheme is also there for all the full-time scholars. That means whoever the can. So here you may check down the eligibility postgraduate in relevant discipline with minimum 55% of marks. That's it. It is a minimum eligibility criteria. And with only post graduation, if you once selected for the full-time PhD in this university, then you can able to get fellowship by doing some academic or else the non-academic works assigned by the university or the department. Okay, and the experienced research supervisors are there, and the transparent PhD regulations are there as per the UGC regulations 2016. And the tuition fee is also very reasonable. So 25,000 rupees per month per semester. Sorry, 25,000 rupees per semester. That's it. Okay. And so PhD program is offered by the following schools. So the School of Infrastructure, Mechanical Science, Electrical and Communication, Computer Information and Mathematical Sciences, School of Life Sciences, Physical and Chemical Sciences, Pharmacy, Business, Social Sciences and Humanities, and the School of Arabic and Islamic Studies. Okay, so these are the different schools. And here the last date to apply is the 10th December 2021. So till the 2 days more time is there. And the application procedure is that simply the three steps are there. First one is download the application form. I will show you where to download the application form, and fill the form, and you need to send to the hard copy to the Director Admissions, BS Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Vandalur, Chennai. And you need to send a soft copy of the application form also to this research@crescent.education. Okay, and if you are having any queries, here the contact numbers are also provided, so you may contact these numbers. Got it? So every year the PhD admissions in this university happens the 2 times. One is in January and second one is in July. So currently it is January 2022 admissions are going on. So the interested candidates may purchase the application form from the Director Admissions of the institute, or else you can download from the website also. And the completed applications along with the demand draft also required. 1,000 rupees demand draft should be submitted to the director, BS Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Technology. Okay, and the contact numbers are also provided, and the email ID is also provided here. If you're having any queries, okay, then you may contact them through the email ID also. And as I told you, the application form here, so it is a PhD application form, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay, so you need to download the PhD application form in Word format and then fill up all the details. And if you want to get the instructions to the candidates, then click on this one. Then whatever the different instructions are there, all the instructions are provided in this PDF very clearly, that you may check down. Okay, so demand draft 1000 rupees you need to take, and age proof, that attested copy of 10th class certificate has to be submitted, and the attested copies of the degree certificates with both UG and PG along with the mark sheets also should be enclosed, and one page write-up about the tentative research topic duly signed by the candidate should be enclosed. And a candidate will be allowed to pursue the part-time PhD, either PhD only, if he or she resides within a commutable distance from the institution. Okay, so like that, the few more instructions are given here, so you please check down, guys, for the full-time as well as a part-time PhD. And coming to the subjects, civil, mechanical, EEE, electronics and communication, computers, and E&I, IT, Polymer, Aeronautics, School of Life Sciences, Pharmacy, Automobile, Islamic Studies, Management Studies, Computer Application, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, English, Physical Education, Library, and Economics. Okay, so these are the subject days. Okay, and interested candidates may apply. Okay, the last date to apply is 10th December 2021. So before that one you need to apply, guys. Okay, so here the tuition fee is 25,000 rupees and caution deposit is 5,000. So admission fee is 500 rupees per semester. And for the entrance examination, here the sample question papers are also given as per the departmental wise. So if you're interested, you may check down, guys, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission with fellowship without having any type of UGS net or the CSIR net. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGS net exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you.
Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC net as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC net exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC net is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merge cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC net examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC net examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now, So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And